Well, let's see.
Turn left.
The boss had just
then
texted me and said I gotta run over here and look at a water heater. The water heater's been biting the dust left and right, I'm telling you. And
after 700 feet, turn right.
damn GPS.
17th Street. Then take the third left.
Shut the GPS up. So I gotta run over here and take a look at this water heater and see. The customer says it's leaking at the bottom. So we're gonna see what's up. Might have another water heater video, me and Mikey. You know, they're the water heater kings. So let me get in there and see what's going on. Then we'll go from there. Okay, well, let me get what was that?
Does it help to flush those things out?
Well, yeah, I mean, you should flush them out. You want to go ahead and turn the hot water on upstairs. Yeah, just turn on one faucet.
Like maybe down here even?
Probably upstairs would be better.
All right, you got it.
Oh, that thing's cemented in there. It's looking pretty good.
Is it? It's clear, isn't it?
Yeah, it's clear. It hit a... I'll just let it run.
Okay.
I gotta drain it down anyways to get that out.
You know, it's just like I said, it wasn't really bad. I didn't want to take a chance on it all of a sudden just pop on it.
Yeah.
I don't know anything about that, so I don't want to mess with it.
Well, that's why you call us.
That's exactly right.
Just makes it easier.
Anything to do with gas, appliances, forget it. I don't want to take a chance.
And we'll just let that drain out a little there.
Yeah, that doesn't look like it's...
Okay, well, I should be drained down enough here. I got a little water. Let's see if I can. The anode rod looks good.
Was that disintegrated? Is that how it's
Yeah.
in there for?
Yeah, it's sacrificial.
Oh, okay.
That looks good.
That's a one cool light you got there. I had never seen one like that.
What, this one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they come in handy. Okay, well, let's shut the.
Now we can.
We'll shut the hot water. Well, no, leave the hot water on upstairs.
Leave it on?
Yeah, so I can run the air out of this thing.
Oh, okay.
And we'll get the air ran out of it.
I didn't know why those things were on. The guy, whoever put it in there, did that, right? I can't remember who that was. It's got that.
Yeah, you could probably use those some other place.
Yeah, I'll use them over here. So put them on the hot water line. That's it? Sounds like it's still popping up.
Yeah, it's still got a little air in it. Do you have a rag?
Yep.
A dirty rag, so I can wipe this floor up?
I don't know about
Yeah, we could probably shut it upstairs.
Okay. Yeah, I was hoping that's something. What? I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, you don't want to replace it.
Take chances on it, yeah.
Don't want to replace a tank that's just a few years old. And we'll let this thing run. I'll stick around for a few minutes. We'll let it run. Make sure it doesn't leak.
Okay.
And we'll wait for that to dry to put the screamer back down.
Yeah, that's that hasn't been that long. It's not that old. It's just
Well, those TMP valves, they're like wear items, you know. I mean, every 5 years or so, you should have them changed. It's a safety item.
oh, okay.
You know, because I mean, say if we get over pressurized or over temperature, it's gonna expand, and that's why I want to kind of stick around here, wait for this thing to get up to temperature to make sure it's not going to leak.
Oh, okay. Well, it quit leaking. When you showed up, it wasn't leaking anymore, and I thought, well, what the heck? I'll let you look at it anyway.
Yeah,
it's coming out of there, but like you said, it was dripping down right there in that spot too.
Yeah, because that tank was off.
Yeah.
So let this thing, we'll let it run.
Okay.
Okay. Well, let's give it a few minutes.
Okay.
Well, that kind of bummed me out. I was hoping to get another tank out of this. But, what are you going to do? 2013 tank. Really good shape. Anode rod was in good shape. You know, you could just see it just by peeking in that TMP hole. So, no reason to change that tank out. So we changed the TMP valve, and he was happy he didn't have to replace the tank, which is good. I mean, of course I want to, you know, sell tanks, replace tanks, but I'm not going to tell a customer that his 2013 tank needs to be replaced when you got a little leaky TMP. No reason for that. So that's it for this one. I will see you guys on the next one, and hopefully we get something good. But it's been kind of a slow Monday. We'll see ya.